To change the attributes of all internal elements of a piece or multiple pieces, click the Global Set Internals tool. The Global Set Internals tool is especially useful for cleaning up imported AAMA or ASTM-DXF files. First, select which pieces the changes will apply to. All pieces, pieces on work area, all selected pieces, or current only. Next, select which type of internal to edit: notches, buttons, circles, dart pivot points, internal contours, or text and artwork. The system displays available attribute options for the selected internal type. Let's change all the notches in this style to cut V notches. Tick on Set to edit the size of the notches, including the depth, width, top width or double notches distance, or set the notch angle. In the current section, select the original attributes of the internals to change. By default, all notches will be changed, but you can choose to change only notches of a certain mode, type, or cut order. In the New section, select the new notch attributes. In this case, we'll select Cut Mode, V-Type, and change the cut order to cut with the contour. Click Apply, and all notches in the style have been converted to cut V notches that will be cut with the contour for production. You can also use the Global Set Internals tool to delete all the notches, or any other type of internal. Just as before, select the type of internal, then choose whether to delete all, or only those of a certain mode, type, or cut order, then click Delete.